I'm actually also waiting on some pieces bought for the car. I have a lot of work to do anyways, so this is actually not that bad. Okay, I have been working a lot of hours here, and as you can see, there is a lot of dust from all my work all over the place. So I'll just clean it out, get everything out of the car, and then vacuum it all up. Right now I'm really split between where I want to work next, because I have in here, this place in here, I can see that I didn't even clean this up, the first plate I've ever made, but I'll do that later. I have this place here that I could work on, that consists of me cutting all of this out, and yeah, pretty much all of the repairs, cut it out, and as you can see it down here, it's is the weight of the car, but it's right there, and I'll not be working on that at the moment, which is also why I haven't closed this up yet. And I also have in here, in the back of the car, I've been looking quite a bit of this place. It's pretty much all of this has to be cut out, and as you can see, there's hole in the back here, in the bottom and the left, and there's a lot of bends and curves I have to consider. That's why this piece is just so hard to make. I thought of it, I could make it in one piece, one plate, one metal plating, but I don't know, maybe I'll have to cut it out to 2 pieces of metal. But I'm considering also doing this. And at last I have the second over here, the second on the wheel case. It looks just as bad as the other one, probably. I'm just thinking about how many hours I have to put in, and this will probably set me back a lot of hours. But I'm thinking of doing this first, and well, I'll start on it, and then I might jump over to other spots of the car. I'm actually also waiting on some pieces I've bought for the car, and I think it's the inner panel for here. As you can see, it's just a hole through all the way, and it's for both of the sides. I have also bought the front here, this piece, but I don't think I'll get that because they have problems producing it, so I don't know about that. This piece I've also bought, and just some framing also, I think. I can't really remember because it's been several months since I bought it, and they just have the problems of delivering this piece, so I've just been waiting months and months. But I have a lot of work to do anyways, so I told them it's no problem, that it takes quite a while, but now I'm just thinking about just getting it home without this piece. I don't know what I will do, but I can't wait forever. I hope that I'll be finished with this project summer 2021. I just saw that I could also make this. The other, I don't know what person made, was working on the car before me, but this piece, as you can see over there, that I made, it's much prettier and higher than this. This is just very low. Well, it still has a little bit of curve to it, but I don't think it's enough for the seat to sit on. So I probably also have to remake this. But I'll first try and I think I'll first start here, and then I might just jump around to other projects when I get a little bit bored of this. I hope it's no problem for you guys. another round of just grinding and grinding. There are holes all over the place and some stuff I need to fix, but I can see that somebody has already been working here. I think it's better than the other side, but I can clearly see that I have to make the lip like I did over there, because yeah, it's just running away. There's no lip right here, but I know the procedure, so that hopefully should be easy. This is actually not that bad as I thought, but still a lot of hours and work, so that's good. As you can see, I bend it out, but this will come in again, but it's so bad I might just make new. And it has to touch this. As you can see, try to bend it as much as I could, and it still needs to bend a little bit more. But when I first get it welded in on this side, I can just beat it in, and then I can bend this back together, and it will get welded together, but I won't. I'll make new. This will be new, so I don't really care about this. I just want to make a good base for so that I can make this also out here, but that will be a later video. I will just make pretty much everything in here, and then I can think about the outsides and also the insides here. I was thinking about doing this piece right here, but then I just felt this. There's no lip here. There has to be a lip like here. There's nothing here, and the lip is a little bit longer here, so I also think this is pretty ugly, and I can see that it has been remade. So I'll just cut this out because this is bad. Made up very bad. So all this, the lip here, I have to do this before I can make this. So I'll clean it up and make a piece for it. Well, actually, I already made the piece. I just have to make a lot of cuts in it, so it can bend. Well, yeah, it's better for you to see here, but it has to also bend. So first clean it up, put this in, and then I can think about putting that in. You'll see me working further on this spot in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to keep on following the project.